Ano, for some of you, no, mga fire signs, ang nakikita ko dito, no, mahal na mahal niyo yung family niyo, no, nagmamahalan for some of you. At kayang, kumbaga, ano, ready to fight, no, anytime, no, anywhere, something like that, no. So talagang kahit anong mangyari basta sa family, pagka sinabing family involved na dito is talagang ipaglalaban at ipaglalaban. So ganun yung kamahal ang isa't isa, or within the family, no, nagmamahalan kayo, no. So at ready kayo na to fight for each other, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. May kumbaga madedepensa, sabihin natin na you can lean on, no, something like that, no. So ano bang magandang term doon, yung madedependehan mo sila, yung anytime pwede mo silang takbuhan, shoulder to cry on, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no,